Hi everyone, this is Surbhi from Digification. Today we'll learn how you can set up catalog ad sets in Facebook. Let's go to Ads Manager. In all tools, you can see Commerce Manager at the last as well. And here you can see the catalogs. Now the site is on Shopify, so you can see this Shopify product catalog. Let's click on it. Now on the left you'll see sets. These are all the items which are in the catalog. It will be a mix, all the products which you have on the website. Now we go to sets. Here we want to categorize. So here if you see, I have already created one set which is sari. Let's create another set. Here we go, and we either can select manually. We'll try to use a filter here. And we'll figure it out by what name it is or by what any of these. You can see product, title, type. So let's try by title of the product. Here I have kurta set also. So let's try with kurta set. And here I can change it to product. Let's type in kurta set. Here I can also do with the type or the name. Let's type by type. Contains. So I'm going to do it by product type, which contains the word kurta set. Now on the right you'll see these 14 items which are qualifying in kurta sets, and I'm going to create them. Let's name it. So here we'll see we have created one for saris, one for kurtas, and these are the variants, the sizes here, and these are all the products. Similarly, I can try and create more sets here and try to filter them out with either of them.